Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off autoplay previews. First let me open Netflix TV app. I want to turn off autoplay previews in this Netflix TV app, but you could not find an option to turn off autoplay previews in TV app, but there is a way. First we have to install Netflix app in mobile phone. See, I already installed. Let me open. Then we need to log into same Netflix account. Then select your profile. Then tap on this My Netflix icon over here. Tap on three lines on top right corner. Go to Manage Profiles. Tap here. Then select your profile. Then go down. And here you can see autoplay previews option. Here we can turn on or off autoplay previews. When you turn off autoplay previews here, that will reflect in your Netflix TV app as well. But you have to use same profile in your TV app. So that way we can control. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.